Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install TikTok on your any iPhone, any iOS, doesn't matter. So at first I'm uninstall my TikTok. Okay, delete my TikTok. If you live in any country, doesn't matter. I'm provide on solution. If you want to follow my own solution, then you get 100% install your TikTok apps. So let's get started. Don't skip my video. At first, search option, search it to TikTok. So when I'm search TikTok but not provide TikTok apps in my app store because TikTok apps recently banned some country. So you need to just change one settings. At first open settings, click on media and purchase, view account. So look here, I'm living in United States, so this is the main problem. So recently United States banned TikTok apps, so you need to just change this region and select France. I recommend you just select France. Okay, France. Click on to agree, select and straight. So I recommend you just copy my all address and press on to next. Okay, now successfully change my region United States to France. So now check. So look here, now successfully changed my region, and now open again App Store and just search it to TikTok. Then you get TikTok official apps. Click on to download. So look here, downloading my TikTok apps. Okay, so look here, now successfully install my TikTok. I'm now open. So now I'm using TikTok. So that's it, that's how we can do it.